Every brick tells a story, and this was one of history's greatest. Today, we journey back to April 1912 to relive the incredible story of the RMS Titanic, the ship they said could never sink. April 1912. One of the greatest engineering marvels ever built is fighting for its life in the freezing waters of the North Atlantic. More than 2,000 people are trapped aboard a ship the world believed could never sink. In just a few hours, history will be changed forever. Just days earlier, everything seemed perfect. Titanic was the largest moving object ever built by humans. Stretching nearly 900 feet long, she represented the very best of human engineering and luxury. Construction began in Belfast, Ireland. Thousands of skilled workers spent more than 2 years assembling the enormous liner, using millions of rivets and countless steel plates to create what many believed was the safest ship ever built. Inside, Titanic resembled a floating palace. Guests enjoyed grand staircases, elegant dining rooms, luxurious suites, a swimming pool, Turkish baths, and comforts that rivaled the finest hotels on Earth. On April 10th, 1912, passengers from every walk of life stepped aboard. Some were among the richest people in the world. Others carried little more than hope, dreaming of a better future in America. As Titanic pulled away from Southampton, thousands gathered to watch. Few realized they were witnessing the beginning of one of history's most unforgettable voyages. Life aboard Titanic varied greatly. First-class passengers dined in luxury, while families in third class found joy in music, conversation, and the excitement of starting a new life across the Atlantic. Hidden beneath the glamorous decks was the beating heart of the ship. Hundreds of engineers and firemen worked around the clock, feeding coal into enormous boilers that powered the mighty ocean liner across the Atlantic. For 4 peaceful days, the voyage seemed almost magical. The sea was unusually calm, the skies were clear, and few suspected that danger lay hidden in the darkness ahead. Throughout the day, nearby ships reported dangerous ice fields directly in Titanic's path. Some warnings reached the bridge, while others competed with the constant stream of passenger messages. As night fell, the ship continued forward at nearly full speed, toward a fate no one aboard could yet imagine.